Fresh and clean. Fresh and clean.
I was surprised to win more than her. Yeah. Despite the fact that she had some good music last year, but
she had the best music last year. Yeah.
No, for me, I think when it comes to those awards, an element of luck comes in. They said every single some people get those awards not because they deserve them, but because they are somehow lucky, somehow blessed. So not all the time the winners deserve it.
So we now turn it up to God.
Yeah.
But look at one of the most organized awards in the world. They have academies, they have everything. Like even if you're to win, there are stages you pass through, there are people that vote.
Yeah.
It's not actually us the people.
Yeah.
There's an academy people that vote for you. For me, I think Billie Eilish was robbed this time. She had to win the best song of the year.
Actually, as you have said that there are waliwo abantu boyita mungo no wangula. Maybe those people saw something different. Oli gwe bawadde awadi kyeyabadde alina okusinga teffe abantu ba bulijjo lemani kwe tulabira, because for them the experts are doing that. Yeah, kati kisoboka okuba nga gwe kyolaba bali ate bo si lwakirabe.
So this time round the voters did something different.
And also in the history of rap music, we saw Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah.
He won, was it 4 awards? 4 Grammy Awards on only one song like this, not like us. Hey, take our Drake, I'm Walana. You know, music. You know, that was one of the most precious awards. I think that was almost like 3 awards.
3 awards and
you know,
on one song where I could sing it out.
You know, that is what is most interesting about art. Most of the beef yamwe, but at the end of the day, chemukola wali output yamwe. Yegenda okumaliza who the best person is. So kati oli waba mwana na Drake, let him go back to the studio, cook, at we good work, maybe na yaja kujja.
And talking about that, by the way,
Drake etakola good.
ayinza akola good art naye munaye like waliwo akaseera ekatuukanga amazima galina ovaayo embrace the reality.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are, for those that love Kendrick Lamar, he went and he won best rap performance, best rap music video, best rap song, and the other category won even the best rap album, Kendrick Lamar.
All those on one song?
Yes, not like us. That song, even performed that song at the Grammy, and we saw people like Taylor Swift. That
shows you that tells all about how good that song was. By the way, very good song.
Very good song.
Yeah, and Rabade was deserving of awards as I think.
Anyway, congratulations, and also Beyonce won the best album a year. Is it a folk album or something like that? Best female.
Best female artist.
Yeah, I know an album. I've never had any song of that album. Have you had any song of Beyonce this
Wasn't
last
it a
year?
collab?
Like the whole album.
She has some good songs. Lwakubanti tezibadde nnyo ku tezihitinze nnyo charts nga ennyimba ze nkadde we zibaddenga naye nga abadde alina some music gw'abadde akola wansi awo.
Anyway.
That's why I told you an element of luck is so vital. Yeah, luck is so vital because oyo mukyala kiri so rare okubeerawo either Grammy or Academy Awards n'avayo nga talina award. Very, very rare. Yeah, so maybe she was born with a lot of luck, maybe. Yeah.
Then the other thing that is making rounds on Twitter is about still the president of the United States of America, that's Donald Trump. He came and he signed an executive law again, banning all transgenders from women's sports. Because we saw a scenario last year in the Olympics, or a boxer from, was it Ethiopia, Somalia, musajja nga transgender, ngarwana n'omukazi. First because he knocked out one of the greatest athletes mu bakazi in just 3 minutes. and the woman started crying. It's not fair.
Yeah, it wasn't fair because.
So this time Donald Trump said an executive law. Executive law nababuja chichetegeeza. So, and the United States, they have banned every transgender to participate in all female sports. Obali mukazi bera muzabakazi, obali musajja bera muzabasajja tebiriyo nti obachi.
Actually, but transgender bano balwa nawo okusigning that kind of law because okumanga okyusiza obutonde buno wefuula omukazi oba ne wefuula omusajja tekikyusa jinzizo tekikyusa maanyi go ng'omuntu tekikujjako kuba nti reality you a man by creation kisigala olina amaanyi ago g'olina oba wali musajja ng'amaanyi ogalina oba wali mukazi ng'era that weakness ey'omukazi.
So even the people signing up these transgenders by no college, they have to follow the creation. Until you're dolly transgender, you still stay where you're supposed to be.
Actually, for me, I think that those transgenders actually should be even banned from any kind of sport because tosobola kubanga weekyusa nga weefuula omukazi ng'obadde musajja ate n'ogenda mu bikonde by'abakazi kati obakube ekikonde ku abakazi they have some parts that are kind of delicate kyokka weetaddeko kati obakuba
Anyway, let's look at transgenders as let's leave that aside, as I told you. And remember, by the way, USAID was, the operations were stopped by the president still. So if you're out there, please be careful. You go and engage into sexual activities and you get sick and you will not have access
by the way,
to the
clearing
medicine.
The air. I heard some people saying that even TASO was closed. Is it true?
Yes, USAID was supporting TASO to give these HIV positive patients free medicine.
So how is Uganda going, the Ugandan government, how is it going to help the...
Nobody has said.
But for me, I think much as USA was doing a vital role in supporting the AIDS supporter, is it AIDS support organization that TASO?
Supporting all countries.
Much as USA was doing a vital role, but I think the governments of those respective countries that were benefiting from the US support will improvise okulaba butya bwe bayinza okusigazawo eri eddagala because eddagala lyetaagibwa ate we banaliteekako ssente lijja kuba expensive.
Of course, I think they saw this coming, so by no banga back up.
They didn't see it coming because like out of the blue. No one saw it.
But for me, I think
let me tell you something. Everyone knows how Trump rules because this is not his first time.
As we are winding up, what he did was right because a lot of money was being stolen using USAID. Because they even show that they have been always getting 8 million USDs. I don't know, every month, every week. Nenga teba accountability as I don't know where that money has been
Most
going.
Especially NGOs.
Yes, and when we made research, it came out that these guys were actually supporting war crimes. That money was being used to invest into these rebels, especially the Hamas in the Israel side. The rebels in Africa, accountability. So Trump had to close it all. But let's leave that aside. So as I've told you, so if you're out there, please be careful. If it's not on, it's not safe. Just be careful. This goes to all the adults, even young adults. Anyway, we have something amazing. Don't crease, don't crease, don't crease.
Don't crease.
Don't crease.
We know it. So, but
the voice of the money. So, this guy has something new that is coming in Uganda. First of all, he shifted from his place that's in Tinda, where he has been doing operations from 2010, and he has something amazing. He has again a Don't Chris Empire, where he's going to be managing artists, promoting artists. So, someone who has money, who has knowledge of the entertainment industry. I think what's your take as we are winding up?
And I think is the right person to do that because this entertainment industry is so tricky in a way that we know we are mentally strong and financially capable. So so
artists out there, be ready because he's coming. I hope next Saturday we're gonna have him on the show. I just hope that next Saturday we're going to get a school show. Next Saturday or what today? But now even today, but hopefully next Saturday. Let's go for a short musical break. I'll be coming back, and today we're going to be talking about religion. So we're going to be for a short musical break. We'll be coming back.
Fresh and clean.